Welcome to this YouTube live. Okay, this live is for telling about my website rajamanikam.com. Okay, I'm planning to explain about the things available with this site for learning purpose, as well as my affiliate offer for earning money by selling these ebooks and courses. Okay, so it's like learn and earn from rajamanikam.com. Okay. First, let me check whether the audio, everything is going smoothly. Okay, so connection is okay and live has started. If there are any issues, just let me know. Okay, and though this live is focusing on rajamanikam.com primarily, I would like to talk about discuss about AI because I am planning to focus more on selling my AI course. So I'll be talking about artificial intelligence AI, and particularly I'm planning to have a continuous discussion. A few days back I specified that, right? So today I started, so I will be keep on doing these kind of things. Okay. So previously I was uploading a lot of research related AI innovations related news. I'll be doing that also, but I will be reducing time for that, and I'll be spending more time for interacting with people. Past 2 days, I was actively interacting with a lot of people. I found them through social media like Reddit, LinkedIn, Twitter, primarily Reddit. Okay, for the purpose of talking about my AA course and particularly for promoting it through affiliate system. Okay, so I'll be discussing those details here, and I already had one-on-one discussion with a lot of potential affiliates, and I'll be keep on continuing that one-on-one discussion also. Suppose if you are interested, we can discuss through Google Meet. Okay. So my overall plan is most of the time I'll be having one-on-one discussion with many people, and I'll be summarizing the things through my email newsletters as well as this live also. Okay, that is the plan. Okay. Okay, so that live is going on, but there are no questions. Then I'll be continuing here. Okay, first this rajamanikam.com site is a Gumroad based website. Gumroad, it's a reputed system for selling our products, especially digital products. It's like Amazon. Okay, but Amazon, it's like already saturated one, and Amazon affiliate commission is also very low. Okay, and their terms and conditions also completely very hard. Okay. So as a beginner, anyone can easily start earning from Gumroad affiliate. Okay. Overall, it's a good system based on my observation. Okay, I'm using it for 1 year only, but it's okay. Okay, and we can easily list the products. Okay, and we can add affiliates, and especially we can set the affiliate commission by ourselves. We can set any percentage up to 75%. Okay, in case of Amazon, it is based on the product, right? We cannot set the commission rate, but in case of Gumroad, we can set our own affiliate commission rate, and we can add the affiliates by ourselves. Okay, so it's overall a good system. Even they plan to open source their code also in few days. Okay, that is what my understanding about Gumroad, but I don't have full details about them. They are claiming that they are supported in many countries. Okay, just to check with your check the FAQ details. I will be providing all the links in this. A few days back, I posted on blog post. Okay, and 50% affiliate commission by selling AI course and many other products. This link I'll be providing in the description of this video. Okay, just click the link and come to here, and you can see the details. Here I provided the link for signing up to Gumroad, and their FAQ link. Okay, you can read their frequently asked question and answer, how to become an affiliate on Gumroad. Okay, so you can just already upload one video about it. Okay, if you're first time coming to this channel means, let me first introduce myself. My name is Rajamanikam. Okay, and I have more than 25 years of experience in IT, including software testing, test automation, and PHP MySQL web development. And recently I am focusing on AI, artificial intelligence related developments. Okay, especially RAG, retrieval augmented generation. Okay, so I thought of putting all my experiences in ebooks and courses. Ebooks, actually I started creating ebooks in the year 2010 itself. First I published a book for explaining about software testing and test automation using QTP, Quick Test for Personal tool. Okay, and other than that, I released many books, including motivational book, Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch. Okay, so actually I listed all these books in rajamanikan.com also. Apart from that, it is available at Amazon also. Okay, but currently I am fully focusing on this AI course, AI for beginners. Apart from that, last year I created one course for teaching about ChatGPT and Gemini. Okay, that time that kind of LLMs were new, so that time that course is okay. But right now everyone is aware of those things, right? So this time better focusing on this new course will be more useful. So if you're interested to learn about AI, very basics of AI, you can just buy this course. Okay, actually initially I set very low price for this course, but many people suggested that set some reasonable price, so I set $19 right now. Okay, so it's market price. Okay, so it will be useful for affiliates also. Okay, so that they can get a good amount of commission. And for the learners, suppose if you are my blog post reader or my YouTube video channel subscriber, in many places I shared various discount offers. Okay, you can make use of that. Let me tell here also, you can use the discount code QPT. Okay, if you use the discount code QPT, you will be getting significant discount. Okay, so just started selling this one. Okay, and I'm selling it from other places also, like Skillshare and Udemy. Udemy, more than 1000 people joined. Skillshare also 15 people joined. Okay, so I believe this course is having good demand. Okay, so as an affiliate you can easily promote this. Okay, and as a learner, let me show what are the content it's having. I'm just trying to add a lot of content, a lot of useful content. Okay, I'm just trying to make it this as a best course for learning AI, especially for beginners. Okay, beginners of any field. Okay, that's what right now needed. A lot of AI courses are focusing on only the developers, like that, right? So I wanted to give overview to all kind of people. So AI for everyone. Okay, all kinds of AI for everyone. That is what my current focus. Okay, so let me. Okay, let me just show the course content. Okay, so once after buying the course, you will be getting these details. Okay, okay. Here I created many pages. So this is the primary one. Here I included my course videos and PDFs. I have many PDFs. Okay, this is AI for beginners. Very beginners, it will be useful. And apart from that, I initially started for beginners, but then I keep on adding a lot of content. Okay, but anyway, for beginners, they can start with very basics. Okay, actually, it will be covering these things like. So what is AI? Why should you care? A brief history of AI, like that. It will be starting like this. Okay, you can see the details here. Okay, and it is available in both PDF format as well as EPUB format. Okay, and a lot of videos. Okay, what is AI? Famous and useful AI tools. So basically, I'm just trying to give a very basic overview about AI to the beginners. Just I'm starting like that. Suppose if you want to learn advanced things till RAG, retrieval augmented generation, you can learn. Okay, that is what my plan. And I understand that AI is a very vast field. I I will not be knowing everything, right? So I created one page for giving the list of other best famous free courses. Okay, so here it includes links to a lot of best courses. Okay, from Coursera and Fast AI. Okay, so just you can click the link and you can learn that things. Okay, and here I'm just trying to give some glossary of terms. Okay, so what I'm planning is I'm keep on updating. Okay, that's why I'm saying that I'm planning. Okay, what I'm planning is, so actually my the first plan was keeping it simple for beginners only, but that AI is also keep on improving, right? So everyone has to learn continuously. So I'm just updating the content continuously. So beginners, suppose as a beginner, someone started learning 1 month back means now they should be knowing something about basics, right? So now they can keep like moving forward to learn advanced things. Okay, and similarly AI also developments also happening quickly, so it is important to keep on updating the course. So that's what I decided. Initially I thought of creating one course for beginner and one course for RAG, retrieval augmented generation, so advanced kind of developers, and one course for digital marketers and one course for software testers, I mean related to AI. Okay, that is what my plan, but I'm just exploring that plan also, that I will be doing maybe mini courses like that I will be launching. But my primary focus is this beginner course. I would like to keep on updating. Okay, so that is what my plan. So here, let me first start with this first one. Okay, that ebook is there and a lot of introduction videos are there. Okay, famous tools. For almost all the videos, I included a subtitle caption, so that if you are not able to understand my accent properly, you can just read the text while watching that video. Okay, so prompt engineering, that is very important topic. So I created video for that, and apart from that I explained them in the PDF also. Okay, and hallucination, almost the common topics I am just trying to the topics that are useful for everyone, whether developer or business people or a student or teacher. So I'm just trying in that way. So if you're affiliate watching this video, just try to capture that point, and you can explain it into your potential customers. Okay. Then only the conversion will be happening good. That is what I am just trying to highlight here. Okay. We can get a lot of information from internet. Okay. But I'm just trying to give some key information in an easy way. Okay, that's what I can highlight. So suppose because when I talk to many people, they are thinking that start using AI is difficult, especially from training the models and using them. So I'm just trying to explain the concept very simple way. Okay, almost I understand that many companies, including Google, IBM, they are trying to do that thing, but it's not reaching many people, right? So I thought of just taking that into a huge audience through this course. For example, in the teachable machine, we can easily understand. Before watching this, mostly many people will be thinking that okay, training model, but it's true, it's a very big process, and there is a huge math behind that, and that and all there. But from beginner perspective, as a user perspective, or a developer perspective, it's a very simple thing. Okay, for doing using AI in our business or for our development purpose, that is easy. That is what I'm trying to teach in all my videos and content. Okay, in case of the teachable machine, we can easily understand how to train a model just by giving the photos of cat and dog, and that how to classify that and use it. And actually, it's a real thing. It's not a demo, right? So we can just use the trained model for inference of other things also. Okay. So my plan is trying to give more details, but in a step-by-step way. And at the same time, suppose some terms are not able to understand, then they can check the glossary or things. In the even PDF also, I provided detailed explanations about each term. Okay. Teachable machine and utilities. So beginners will be they will be more will be understanding the AI power by going through the generative AI, LLMs, right? So I thought of highlighting them here. Okay, like ChatGPT, Gemini, DALL-E, maybe for more beginners. But other than that, I explained other AI tools also. And this Google AI Studio, it's a very important one from developer perspective, as well as from common people, business people also. Actually, these days Google is releasing its new models, new experiments through Google AI Studio only. So we have to understand about Google AI Studio, how to use that, and for development purpose also, for getting API key and exploring various parameters, AI Studio is important. So I thought of explaining that also here. Okay, and this one also actually many people liked this one when I shared in many social media. Okay, this using Whisper model, we will be able to create subtitles for our videos very easily. Okay. And the key thing is without any internet connection. That means 100% in our local, we can do that. We don't need any API. We don't need any connection. Okay, it's a really good thing, and we can provide our own words so that the quality of the transcription will be improved very easily. Okay. So this and all, it's like eye opener kind of thing, right? Otherwise, we'll be thinking that okay, AI models running for running AI models for this kind of purpose, we need a huge computing power with a lot of GPU, RAM, like that, right? So actually, I'm running with my local. Right now it's not having any GPU. Okay, and GPU means it will be faster, but again it's okay. It's a reasonable speed only, and the RAM is only 8 GB RAM. This computer I'm able to use here also. Okay, So it will be giving some kind of understanding, right? So that is the reason here. So though I'm not arranging the course in a traditional way of teaching, right? So I'm just trying to give some through some examples, things. I'm just trying to make the people understand about AI in an effective way. That is what my way of doing. That is one way, one reason. Another reason, I'm just it's not a pre-planned thing. I keep on updating the content, right? So that is another reason for arranging the content in this way. Okay, and I am just providing the code used in that example. Okay, so this one using TensorFlow, how to train the models. Okay, here I am just providing the uh, Google Colab, that IPYNB notebook file. Okay, for download, and similarly sklearn. Okay, so this one, it's a very a lengthy video explaining all the AI terms. Okay, for any kind of thing, even you need not be a developer, but for discussing the some things with developers, you should be knowing the very basic meaning of all the terms, right? So that's the reason why I came up with this terms. It is listed in the ebook also. Okay, apart from this video, you can read them as a text also. And similarly, Hugging Face, this one also will be giving like um, actually, while recording this video, I've noticed that more than 1.5 million models are there. Okay, so people will be thinking that, okay, for using AI, I have to develop my own model. It will take a lot of time and it needs a lot of resources. Developers, we need. So to break that kind of thinking, this will be useful. So Hugging Face is having a lot of pre-trained models. We can start using it very easily. So I try to explain that and how to use that other things. Okay. So this is for just giving some overview about how the neural networks work, the basic of neural networks with the help of TensorFlow Playground. Okay, it means just for giving some idea about how to use the TensorFlow, but you have to explore a TensorFlow Playground for understanding the concept by yourself. Okay. So this one is RAG. RAG, it's a very important thing. Okay, actually, I worked with some few RAG projects also, and I'm planning to do some products developments using that. So basically, I'm putting a lot of focus towards this. Okay, maybe if there is a demand, I will be creating separate course for explaining RAG completely. But again, this video also, it's having a lot of content. Okay, and I included RAG ebook also. It's also available as a PDF as well as EPUB. Okay, and I uploaded sample Python code also. Okay, and I created another ebook, SQL. Okay, actually I started primarily for teaching SQL query, other things, but later on I found that the in data sets also, in AI related things also, SQL plays important role, right? So I added a lot of chapters related to AI. Okay, so that also will be useful. So I included that SQL ebook also here. Okay, as a bonus of for this course. And the Gemini Gems, as I said, I keep on updating. Gemini Gems recently released, right? So just to give some overview, I included this video also. And this one for using Gemini API for creating simple application. Okay, I included code also, sample code also. Okay, so that's how I'm arranging the videos and PDF files. Okay, definitely it will be really useful. Okay, that videos it will be around 4 hours totally. Actually, I uploaded in Udemy, right? It's showing us 4 hours there. Okay, and PDF also, a lot of content is there. Okay, and in the blog post also, I'm updating a lot of information. And though the ebook is having a lot of information, some people may not be showing interest to go through all the details, right? So I'm just trying to give some summarized information also through these pages, okay? The tips for using ChatGPT and Gemini. So if you're a business person, don't want to go through all the details, just want to know the basics, just you can check here also. And if, based on the feedback, I will be adding more content here also, okay? But I added very almost the very basic details about AI in the ebook itself. But other than that, maybe I will be providing um, simple format so that anyone can easily understand, okay? So that is my one idea. But if I'm updating more details, then again it will be giving some confusion or duplications, right? So I'm just trying to get feedback from the buyers. Once after making significant number of sales, then I will be spending more time. But again, I'm working on to add like AI agents, other kind of information, because they are getting a lot of importance these days, right? So, and in my blog, this blog, I am updating a lot of information, okay? So here also I'm putting link to that blog post, okay? A lot of blog posts, okay? It's in random order, okay? Because as I said, I keep on updating, right? So basically, I am also learning. Okay, though I have 25 years of experience, more than 25 years of experience in IT, and I'm uploading a lot of AI-related news videos, AI innovations, research-related videos for many years. I just started like AI-related coding, like a few months back only. Okay, around 8 months. That time only I started fully focusing on AI development. Okay. So I am also having a lot of questions. So if I am getting some questions, I will do some analysis, and then I will be creating blog post and I will be posting here. So it's in a random way. I believe it will be a plus point for the learners from beginners perspective, right? So whatever questions I'm having, they will be also having. So they need not spend more time. They can straight away learn from my blog posts. Okay, that is one advantage of this approach. Okay, so as I said, I won't say that it's a very best course. Okay, so I'm also learning. Okay, but what I'm trying to say is I'm just giving more attention to give some reliable information. Okay, that is one point. I do it from the beginning when I started my YouTube channel itself. If you are my regular channel viewer, you should be knowing. Okay, so mostly I will be uploading a lot of videos from reputed universities based on their research papers published on uh, important journals, right? So I'm just trying to do the same approach here. Okay, so a lot of things, some people will be saying some things, and some group of people will be saying completely opposite thing. Say for example, recently you should be knowing about vibe coding, right? Some people are saying that okay, it is very effective, we have to follow that, like that, right? Some people are saying that don't do that. Okay, I don't want to like do in that kind of things. I in my perspectives, I will be saying both things. Okay, it is up to you to decide which one you have to uh, follow. Okay, so I will be giving the information as it is. That's what my policy in creating courses. Okay. So these kind of questions will be we will be getting in many places. Just simply starting from which one we have to use: ChatGPT, Gemini. Okay, I would say that if you are a business person, just to explore everything. Okay, if you are a developer, again you initially you have to do POC with many LLMs. Then by based on your own requirements and the token prices, other things, you can just, choose one particular LLM, then like use that one. Okay. So this is all about AI course, and I provide a link to AI quiz, right? Recently I created this. Okay, you can test your AI knowledge in various topics, AI basics and prompt engineering, RAG, a lot of things are there. Okay, I uploaded one video explaining this. Okay, if you haven't gone through, you can go. Otherwise, you can just visit qualitypantech.com/quiz. You can attend that. Okay. So it's all about this one. But as I said, currently I'm focusing on this AI course. But I put lot of efforts in creating my emerging technologies course. Okay, I will explain it later. Okay. And I provide a link to my news site also. So here you can read latest news about artificial intelligence. Here also I keep on updating. Okay. And actually this one I'm doing for many years. Okay. Starting from around 2010 or something, I started this. So a lot of content I added here. Okay. For many years, and previously I kept it in separate domain. Now I put it in news subdomain of my website qualitypantech.com. Okay. So for many years, okay, I provided that link also. So what I'm trying to say is, apart from course videos and PDFs, I'm just trying to give some external resources also. Either I'm creating by myself or like other people's resources also. If it is very useful and if it is completely free, I'm linking that also. Okay, and I will be keep on updating it. But instead of dumping a lot of content, I'm just waiting to get the feedback. So that's what the overview about this AI course. Okay, let me check whether any question is there. No questions. Let me continue this. Okay. Okay, this one affiliate, right? So just to go through that, whether it is suitable for your country like that. And if you are interested, just contact me. I can teach you about how to promote that because I have good experience in digital marketing. Long back I created a lot of tools related to digital marketing, including SEO tools like search engine rank checker, page rank checker, push and checker, a lot of things. Personally, I'm interested in that topic, so I used to do a lot of things. But recently, I just put hold on that things for focusing on my YouTube channel. Anyway, the fundamental things are unchanged, right? But recently, a lot of developments are there. So I would like to discuss with other experts in digital marketing also. That is what I'm doing in the past few days. And I'm trying to understand what is happening in the recent days, especially that marketing is like moving towards AI, right? So AI is changing all the fields. So obviously, digital marketing also getting changed. So a lot of people are now searching content from LLMs, right? So they're instead of going to Google, they're now getting answers from ChatGPT itself, right? So we have to make our content appear in the LLM response also. That kind of switch is happening. So I'm just learning how to leverage that. Okay. Anyway, I can guide any kind of affiliate with basic details how to promote it in an effective way. Okay, so if you are looking for earning money online by putting hard work, definitely it will be useful. Okay, because I'm offering 50% commission and I will be guiding you and Gumroad is somewhat reputed. Okay, but anyway, make sure that it is working for your country. Okay, and the course also, it's in high demand. Okay, apart from the course, my website is having a lot of other products also. If you are interested, I can add other products also. Okay, bundle offer is there. Okay, including all the things, and this motivational book also, it can sell well. I put significant effort and time for coming up with this ebook. Okay, and SQL, as I said earlier, I recently created this ebook focusing more on SQL in an AI era. Okay, and this book I created last year, a bit outdated. Okay, but still it's having some content. So for the purpose of keeping it in the bundle, I am keeping here. But if you are an affiliate, need not spend time for promoting this one. Okay, and these are all latest one. Power Automation, this Power Apps. Okay, and RAG. This one I included in the AI course also. Okay, and Snowflake. This SQL also included in the AI course. That is why instead of selling separately, I thought of fully pushing this AI for beginners. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay, and if you need any guidance, I can discuss through Google Meet. I'm referring about affiliates. For learning AI, for the people who buy my course, I can spend few minutes for explaining the things, clarifying their questions. Okay, but if they need more coaching, they can book one-on-one coaching. I can do it for affordable hourly charges, or I have plans for starting full-fledged coaching also, batch. I'm planning to do it for 3 or 4 people as a batch. Okay, that I am just exploring that options. Okay, I thought of doing it in the coming 16th. Okay, previously I set another date, but only one person showed interest at that time, so I just canceled that. And instead I just arranged a webinars one day only. Okay, free webinar I arranged. So I'm just exploring various ways of interacting with people. Okay, that is one thing. But in the coming week, my full focus will be like recruiting affiliates, finding appropriate affiliates. Okay, so like in the past few days itself, I talked to nearly 100 people. I reached 100 people and spent significant time with 4-5 people. Okay, and I will keep on doing that one. And if you are interested, you can contact me, or if you are not interested, maybe you can refer this to other people, because many people are just putting lot of effort and time for promoting Amazon products for 4-5% of commission. Okay, actually I was also doing previously. That's what I'm just I could understand their efforts. Okay, so this will be a good opportunity, but I'll be offering this for the people who are doing it in a professional way. If someone is pushing that with like in an aggressive manner, I'll be removing from my affiliate program. Okay, so just continuously discuss with me to understand how to do it effectively and in a genuine way. Okay. Yeah, that percentage, 50%, it's initial commission. Okay, suppose if you are making good number of sales, I will be increasing it to further up to 75%. Gumroad is allowing maximum 75%. I can set up to that. Okay, and suppose if you want to give a discount to the your audience, I can give you discount code also. Okay. So it's up to you whether you want to earn money by selling more number of products, or selling money, good money with few number of products, it's up to you. Okay, if you want, you can share the discount code, or you can sell it with original price. Okay, but if you are selling with original price, means compared to discount code, the conversion will be less. Okay. Okay, this is about my website rajamanikam.com. The current things, but I keep on. I can talk many hours about these things, emerging technologies, because that is what I was doing for many years. Okay, but yeah, now I put hold in the sense my focus is AI, because these days it's a very trending thing, right? Apart from AI is one of the emerging technologies, right? But there are a lot of things. So I actually created as a course also emerging technologies, and in that I explained around 47 emerging technologies. Okay, suppose if you are interested in that kind of future, maybe you can buy this course also. Okay, but for common affiliates, it may be difficult to push this one. Okay, okay. So that's why I'm not talking much about it. But from quality worth, from that perspective, actually I put a lot of effort for creating that kind of things, and I uploaded for nearly uh, like 2000 videos related to many emerging technologies on my YouTube channel. Okay, so based on that experience only, I created this one, but it's not well organized. Okay, it needs a lot of time to improve it further. I will do that later, and that time I will be increasing the price. Right now I set very low price. Okay, suppose if you want to get some content from there, maybe you can buy that. Okay, and similarly that dream book also, I put a lot of effort and time for creating that ebook. Okay, that ebook I created based on my experience of running my website, the course.net motivational website. That also I have been running it like from year 2011 or 12, that time itself. Okay, so that and all long term things. Okay, but as of now, because as an affiliate you need to earn money quickly, right? So I would say that focus on this AI for beginners, this course, or you can uh, focus on bundle also, because bundle I included many products, but still the price is just $29 only. Okay, so in that case you can post bundle, but my understanding is the intent should be high, right, for making any kind of sale. So in that case, this AI course will be good, because AI is a record for any kind of people. Because it's completely changing the thing, but it's not visible. That is the danger, right? Because many companies are saying that we should not reveal that their operations to the public. Okay, even today also I got one mail from Amazon saying that they released new feature for my account, but they said we need to keep it confidential, like that. Okay, it's also a related thing that will completely close one particular industry. Okay, but I don't know why they're working in that way. Okay, maybe they may be thinking that they don't want to collapse the industry immediately before they are leveraging the power of AI. Okay, so once they are comfortable, I think they will be releasing it to the public, and then we will be facing that difficulties, job loss, other things. Okay, so it is important to learn AI, so we can make use of that opportunity. We can sell the course at this moment. Okay. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to say here. The famous slogan, right? AI won't take your job. A person using AI will. Actually, it's true. Okay, AI cannot replace all the job. Okay, so definitely human skills are record in any kind of business. But that number of people may not be like in the future. It will be the requirements will be less. So obviously. Um, knowing AI will be added advantage for any kind of business. But currently, many people are thinking that it's required for development, AI developers, things. But it's not like that for digital marketing. I already uploaded one video about that also here. The course itself I have included. AI for digital marketing. Okay. So in the digital marketing also AI can play important role. Okay. And similarly, any field. Especially the AI agent, they will create impact on other fields also. Like normally everyone is talking about digital world, right? So I thought of analyzing about impact of AI agents in physical world. So I published one blog post. Okay, you can check that, and mostly we will be seeing the impact soon. Okay. But there is some risk, obviously. In case of generative AI, it is just giving the response. It is up to you as to use it or reject it, right? We are having control. But in case of AI agent, that will take the decision, right? So that will be risky. So I don't know how it will be evolving. But there should be some solution for that also. Anyway, since many companies are talking about that, definitely we can see some improvements. Okay. Even the generative things, previously 1 year back, that article writing, that content quality was not that much good, but now it got improved for a lot. And especially that narration, text to speech, that robotic voice was there, right, previously. But now few days back I did one live, right, csame.com, that AI, csame AI. That is, it's very difficult to find the difference between human speech and that AI speech. Okay. So that kind of improvement happened, right? So AI agents also in the coming days, they can solve their problems, and it can help people to solve people's problem, right? Okay, let me check any question is there. Questions. Okay, so this is what I wanted to highlight. Okay, in the rajamanikam.com, I have a lot of content. Okay, we can learn a lot of things, spending very less money. And as an affiliate, you can also earn money. Okay, but since I set a very low price for the products, you may not be earning significant money per sale, but your conversion will be good, right? If you are reaching appropriate people and explaining the things in a proper way, you can get a lot of conversion. Okay, so overall that profit will be like, it will be good, right? The Snowflake also, this book also, it's selling well from my Amazon. Okay, I listed in Amazon also. Amazon is selling this book well. It's a bestseller in Amazon for me right now. Okay, but it's a very like less number of pages only. I spent very less time for creating this book. Okay, but anyway, it seems it's having good demand. Okay, so as an affiliate, you can just combine this Snowflake and SQL, targeting the people who are looking to start their career in data warehousing. Okay. So it's like every target audience is different, right? That dream big, it is for different. Okay. So just shortlist your product and just discuss with me. And here also how to earn money. This one also I shared a lot of my experience from running my YouTube channel. Okay. So though I am primarily focusing on AI and development related things, I have other ebooks also. Okay. So just to select the product, okay, and just discuss with me. I can give more details about it, whether it's worth spending time for promoting it or not, like that. Okay. and you can download many things freely. This one is free, okay, and this one also free, this one also free, okay. Because this one I spent significant time for creating this, but it was done 1 year back. It's almost outdated, right? So I just made it free, and I'm planning to create a new book like Google Gemini 2025, like that. I'm just exploring that option, okay. Okay, so you can freely download many books, and you can learn many things, and this ebook also free, and from web development, okay. My experience of earning money online, this one also free, okay. So you can learn many things without spending money. But if you are spending some little money, you can learn a lot of things. RAG, it's like in other places you can get very little details. I spend a lot of time in getting details from many places, social media, like various subreddits and other places. And I worked on few projects also. So based on all these things, I created this ebook. Okay. So conversion will be good in case of if you are choosing to promote this product. Okay. So just to explore all the products and register as my affiliate. Okay, it's free. Okay, I am using Gumroad, which is free to sign up. Okay, and then we can discuss more. Okay, because it should be win-win-win approach. It should be benefit for me, it will be benefit for the affiliate, as well as it should be benefit for the end customer. Okay, that is what my policy. So we need to discuss about it. Okay, but one thing I can straight away say that this AI for beginner, I'm putting a lot of effort and time for making it the best course. Okay, and I'm just still doing it. Okay, I'm working on to improve it further, and there is a huge demand. Okay, so obviously you can just take this and start promoting it, and you can earn money. Okay, that's what I can say. But if suppose if you are already having a huge number of followings, Facebook followers, or email newsletter, for of common people of various industry means, you can focus on selling this Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch, this ebook. Okay, motivational ebook. This one also, it's having a lot of content, good content. Okay, you can go through here. Okay, a lot of things I added. Last year I worked on these things, but for many years I was collecting best kind of motivational quotes. Okay, and you can freely listen to audiobook in my blog. Okay, suppose if you want to check the content, you can here you can fully listen to that. I narrated myself. Okay, more than 4 hours. Okay, and moreover you can read the subtitle also if you watch through this channel. Okay, so just explore all the products. Okay, and just contact me to set the effective way of promotion. Okay, because we need to understand the effectiveness. Otherwise if we are putting a lot of hard work targeting like in irrelevant audience means that is waste of time, right? So for example, if you are in India and if you are trying to promote to Indian audience, I don't know whether the conversion will be good. Okay, because in India that amount is showing us dollar, right? And the payment gateway is also very limited. We have to use like a debit card or credit card, right? But in India, people will be expecting UPI, that kind of payment, right? So that will affect conversion. Okay, so I would recommend targeting US or other countries more suitable for Gumroad. Okay, that kind of discussions and the information I can discuss. Okay, maybe I'm planning to have separate affiliate meeting kind of thing. Okay, I just recently started like finding affiliates. Already many affiliates joined. I'm just continuing that process. Okay, Once after getting handful of active affiliates, now a lot of affiliates are there, but they are most of the people are not active. Okay, so I'm just trying to find active affiliates, and then I'll be discussing having affiliate meetings, separate affiliate meetings, okay, through Google Meet or some kind of tool. Okay. Okay, no questions. Okay, so it is overview about rajamanikam.com. As of now, I think it's enough. Okay. Maybe some other day I will be talking about emerging technologies, other things. And another thing I wanted to explain is about the ways of doing affiliate. Okay. For example, if you decide to promote my AI course, you should first understand about the target audience, who is going to buy this course. Okay, a lot of courses are there, a lot of free resources also there. Okay, so you need to understand for whom this will be more suitable. So for that, first of all, you should understand what is there in the course, right? So for that, either you can watch this video. I already showed the available videos, right? Or if you want, I can explain the things personally. So once after you understand the things available with this course, then you can find out your target audience. So from my understanding right now, it is business people and developers who already know about developments and maybe web development, other things. And if they want to enter into AI development, that kind of it will be useful for that kind of students or beginners and professionals also, like even for people developing other things, they can make use of LLMs and other things so that they can effectively use for their work. And moreover, they can do some kind of AI application development during that free time also, if they are familiar with the basics. Okay, so that kind of people. And the best audience is business people. Okay, that is what I'm just trying to focus. Okay, many people are missing that part. It is going to affect all the business, medical, any kind of industry. Okay, so we should be like giving some awareness to them, and then only we can get AI related development projects, because they should be knowing the available resources about resources as well as limitation. Okay, suppose if you are telling about LLM, the power of LLM, how what are the big things it can do, it's not useful. We need to tell about them that limitations also. So in case of LLMs, we have to tell about the hallucination, we have to tell about the knowledge cutoff date, we have to tell about the limitation in providing private data. Okay, then only they can come up with some AI implementation in their industry, right? And we have to provide solution also in case of this managing hallucination, knowledge cutoff, that kind of problem. We can recommend RAG, right? So that kind of things. Suppose if the API cost is high, we can explore talking about local LLM like Olama, that using Olama, Ilama, we can install that kind of stuff. We have to talk about that, right? So at least we need not know all the things, because it keep on changing. Okay, so but many people are talking about doing development with how to use this LLM, like that only. So based on my observation, all the LLMs, their SDKs are keep on changing. Okay, that we can, while doing the project, we can learn. Okay, so that is the reason why I am not giving importance for that kind of minute details here. Okay, but we have to create awareness among business people. That is what the key idea behind this course. Okay, but I'm not explicitly saying that. Okay, but by going through all the details, people will be okay, knowing that it will affect my industry in this way. Okay, so I need to learn these things. So some kind of awareness, at least I heard that still a lot of people are not using ChatGPT, Gemini, that kind of tools also. So we need to create some kind of things, right? And for that purpose it will be useful, so we can target that kind of audience. Okay, but I won't say that all the videos they may be watching, but they can get some idea. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. But in case of AI developers, all the videos will be useful for them. Okay, but what I'm trying to say is in case of the business people, they can get some idea, and I can um, do one-on-one coaching based on their industry, how to use AI effectively for their benefits. Okay, that I will be doing for our affordable hourly charges. That is separate thing. That is the reason behind why I am giving willing to give major percentage to the affiliates. Okay, my target is reaching that kind of people and developing my company in the future. Okay. That is a big feature. I already talked many times. I don't want to uh, give more details here. Okay. So the overall picture is I would like to reach a lot of business people for solving their business problems. Okay, not the current problem. Okay, so upcoming things. What are the projected things? So I'm just exploring various things. Okay, so for reaching them, I believe this course will be useful. Okay. So that is the reason why I am spending a lot of time in finding affiliates and willing to give major percentage, because for many people I set 75% commission. Okay, and it's still for whoever I set 50%, I'm willing to set more percentage if they are making sales. Okay. Okay, that's all right now, but I will talk about those things in detail later. Now I would like to give some overview about how to do the promotion effectively. Okay, as I said, the first point is we need to understand the target audience. First we should understand the product. Once after getting clear idea about the product, we have to find the target audience. For knowing about the product, as I said, we can have a detailed discussion. I can spend significant time for doing one-on-one discussion about the product, especially this course. Okay, and then we can choose various digital marketing approaches. Okay, email marketing. I personally I to explore something, and I can share the experience also. Okay, how to effectively use the email marketing, and how to do it in a genuine way. That's the key thing. Okay, we shouldn't just buy the mail list and then just blast the mails. Okay, and sending DM also, it's working good. A lot of digital marketers are sharing that information. Okay, but it should be highly targeted. Should not randomly send to any person. Okay, go through Reddit discussion or LinkedIn discussion, Twitter discussion, Facebook, any kind of social media, just to narrow down to the areas. For example, in case of AA course, just participate actively in any kind of discussion related to it, and you can just find the intent. Right, intent is important. That person should be highly searching for some kind of AI knowledge to implement in their business. Okay, but in that case, you can contact them. Okay, that will be useful for them also. They will be looking for some kind of AI course, right? And you can provide this link, but instead of straight away pushing the product, maybe you can give some details. Like I create a lot of blog posts, right? I provide a lot of useful information in my blog. So similarly, you can also create blog posts. So that is why the content marketing comes first. Okay, so you need to create blogs and a lot of useful cheat sheets, that kind of any kind of videos or some content, lot of content, useful content you have to first create. what are the benefits of learning AI, what are the difficulties in learning AI. So you can brainstorm with ChatGPT. Maybe you can ask ChatGPT, I would like to promote here. Use some content idea. Okay. Just explore. I'm just telling it as example. Okay. So a lot of ideas are there. So first, you need to spend significant time for preparing useful content. Okay. In the content, you can include this your affiliate link. Okay. Don't straight away push the affiliate link. Okay. That won't be useful. Okay. Even it won't work. But choose the content related to this intent of the potential buyer. Okay. So that also important. You could be with the help of ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Q1, lot of LLMs are there, right? You can easily create things. So suppose if you if it is taking more time, you can pre-build some prompt template and a simple AI application you can develop by yourself. Okay. Or in the Gemini, the gem feature is there. In the gem, you can set everything. Suppose if you are familiar with Family and Gemini and you like its responses, you can use gems. In case of ChatGPT, that custom GPT option is available with ChatGPT plus paid version only. Okay. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is we have to first explore the content creation. Okay. And not only text content, for video content and image content, everything you can get a lot of approaches. So in the blog post, I keep on giving more tips, and once after you join as affiliate, I'll be sending emails. Today also I sent some tips. Okay, so I will keep on updating a lot of digital marketing information. Okay, and that is one thing. You have to create content, and SEO, because of the current trending nature of AI, even you can get some social media. Apart from social media, you can get some search engine traffic also to your content. So always focus on content. Maybe you can create some websites, blogs. Okay, it's up to you, but it should be some useful content. It can be video, it can be a blog post, or it can be a LinkedIn post or Quora post. Okay. You have to focus on content marketing and uh, like uh, uh, like interacting with people. As I said, in case of Quora, you can give some useful answer, and in the profile you can include your link. Okay, so that kind of approach. In the Reddit also, you can read even while giving some reply. Maybe you can dynamically create the content, right? Suppose if someone is asking some question, and you can quickly create content and give the short reply along with the details that link to the detailed page. Okay, so there are various approaches. Okay, but it will be customized according to your approach. Okay, and your country, your target audience country, a lot of things are there. Okay, so that is the reason why I would like to deeply have discussions on almost on daily basis with the affiliates. Okay, so and email marketing, content, and SEO. Okay. Can explore a lot of things. Even you can do some kind of you can just print your visiting card with QR code with your affiliate link, and then if suppose if you are personally talking to someone, you can just ask them to scan that and buy that, right? You just explore various ways. Okay. But my suggestion is use the LLMs, power of LLMs effectively, and similarly you can generate simple AI applications also according to your own need. For example, if you are uploading videos, you can create transcript using that Whisper model, right? That will be more effective. It will be useful for increasing the watch time, which will be helping you to get more video views. Okay. And in the Twitter, LinkedIn, everywhere you can search for some AI related questions, and you can give answers and then include your content link. In the content link, you can provide your affiliate link. Okay. That is the proper approach. Okay. As I said, we can have separate discussion with affiliates. Okay. If you have any questions, you can contact me. Okay. And I am exploring about doing live online coaching. I will be giving more details later. Okay. Thanks. Bye.